Flowers. Airfix are producing flowers. Yes, if you woke up this morning to this news, Airfix are now creating a range of flowers. I had a quick chat with Dale on the phone this morning, and he said that they had a survey. They had a company go out and do some market research. It came back that those who do not do models but would like to make scale models were not happy with the subject matter. And when they were asked what they would like to make or build and paint, they came back with
flowers. Top answer, flowers.
Flowers. So is this a bit of a genius move by Airfix? I don't know my flowers. Listen, I only buy bouquets of flowers when I'm in the shit, if you know what I mean. But I can see the appeal here of producing something that can be modelled by a different demographic, I assume, or somebody who is not appealed by boats or cars or Spitfires or Bearcats. You know, they're opening up to a different market. And I think at the end of the day, this can only be a good thing. Now, in the past, Airfix have gone out there because they did their bird range, they've done a skeleton, they've done those figures, you know, like the Black Prince in Anne Boleyn, things like that. But this time, they've gone with flowers. Now, looking at the image, there's definitely 4 or 5 sort of flowers that you can see there. There's a rose, there's a poppy, I presume they're daisies, sunflowers. So, you know, this could be the start of something that they would like to put into the hands of those who, you know, don't appreciate things with engines, if you see what I mean. I'm interested in your thoughts on this. You know, is this a good way of bringing new people into this hobby? I can kind of see this really taking off. And you can see there on the poppy, there's an insect. So they give depth to these plastic flowers. And to be fair, if you're someone who hates gardening and doesn't want the hassle of watering a flower, you can now produce one and paint it to your own desires. Anyways, just a quick video from me. As I said, with some pictures there from Airfix. I'm interested to see what happens. No idea on pricing yet. No idea if they're going to be single or they're going to be come as a multi-pack. I think they're just gauging their thoughts on, or people's thoughts on this at Nuremberg, which is where they've announced this this kit. I presume you can call it a kit. But anyway, I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Put them in the comments box below. And if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to notify when I release a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.